Let's make some pho broth. Pot of boiling water. Here we got a whole chicken. This is a brown rooster I got from the Asian market. You can go with any whole chicken you can get your hands on. Poke a hole in the chest cavity. This will make it easier to handle, and I like to cut off the feet here. Fits in the pot easier. Prep your chicken. Let's get our feet wet. Dive right in. Let the chicken low simmer for about an hour. Daikon. Yellow onion. Ginger. Try your yellow onion and ginger only, please. After an hour, cold plunge time. Let it chill. Fill our pot back up. Get rid of the scum. Let's add our sweet yellow onion. Ginger back in. And the daikon. Let that low simmer while we handle our chicken. Let's start breaking down our chicken here. We're gonna have 3 piles. One pile is gonna go back into the pot. The head, the bones, the cartilage, the skin in one pile. And then we're gonna have a pile of dark meat and a pile of white meat. Boom. We got our carcass, bones, and skin. This is our dark meat and our white meat. Let's get the flavor back into the pho pot. Slowly add back in the bones, the skin, the cartilage, all the good stuff. 3 tablespoons of Himalayan pink sea salt here. Give that a quick stir. We're going to let this simmer for 6 hours. Next, we're going to deal with our dry spices. Low roast, cinnamon, cardamom pod, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and cloves. Go into our spice ball after we roasted them. Let's add this to the pot for the final 2 hours. So 6 hours in, I like to add this for the final 2 hours. Cut the heat. After 8 hours, add our 3 tablespoons of fish sauce and give that a stir. Let that cool down. Let's take everything out. Spice ball, all the bones, all the daikon, everything comes out, so we just have a nice clean broth. And boom. You got a clean, tasty pho broth made from scratch, made with love.